it goes further than slavery, because I know when people think of Black History Month, they think of slavery and the first black people to do whatsoever. But what Black history is to me is before that time. All these inventions were created before. You know what I'm saying? Like beforehand, we came from kings and queens from Africa. We all came from Africa. The origin of Africa is just so great, and the whole origin of Black history is just so wonderful. We were one of the many people to do many of the first items, create one of the first things, items as well. Black history means so much to me just because it's like where I came from. We came from pharaohs and Egyptian times. The origin is so rich. That's why I love it so much.